Today I'm going to ink up a 2-plate etching. I'm preparing the paper, putting it in the water bath, and then I'm going to ink up my plates. The first plate I'm inking up half in yellow and half in a light blue kind of colour. So the yellow part, the texture has been made with sandpaper, and the blue part I'm just leaving a little bit of ink on the surface to make sort of a sky kind of pattern. The oyster catcher birds I'm wiping off the extra ink so that they'll be white underneath. And that's because their bellies are white. I also want the other colour on top to not be marred by the yellow. Then it's time to ink up the second plate. Inking it up in that sort of dark blue, almost black. Put the ink all over the surface, wipe off the excess. Again, the areas that I want really white, I wipe back. Then I'm going to add a bit of red onto the plate as well. Oyster catchers have the gorgeous red beaks and legs and eye patch. I'm just using a sharpened stick here, trying to get it as accurate as I can, and then add in a little bit more for the eyes. I then have to blend that in a bit, wipe a bit of the excess off, otherwise it prints out too gluggy, and I sort of want that lovely, almost watercolour-like look of the ink. A bit of red on the feet as well, blend them in. Now it's time to get the paper, dampen it off so it's not too wet, and place the plate in the registration sheets. Figure out which side of the paper is less fingerprinty, and run the first plate through the press. Now I've left a little bit of the paper still under the roller so that I can lift it up, keep it in place, and just take one plate out and put the other one in, using the registration sheets to hopefully get it in the same place as the first plate, and then roll it through again, and then see how the print turned out. There we go, 2 oyster catchers on the beach. And to get another print, I have to go through all that inking up process of the 2 plates all over again.